Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna review three of my body lotions which I have just recently bought and I'm happy to share the review. Before that, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon, and in case you feel this video is good enough and is informative enough, please hit the like button as well. So let's quickly start. I won't take much time. The first body lotion which I have bought is from Amazon.in, and it is from the company called the Beauty Sailor. This is a natural body lotion. It's cruelty free, has no paraben, no silicone, no sulfate, and all the ingredients are natural. That's what has been mentioned on the bottle. This is how the bottle looks like. And this is weighing around 300 ml, which cost me around 1000 INR, which is pretty costly for an unknown company like this, but it has pretty good ingredients in it. First one is vitamin E is there, aloe vera extract is there, jojoba oil is there, which is very good to rejuvenate your your skin, and it also have avocado, which is very good. It's basically a natural butter, which is very good for your nourishment of your dry skin. I have a very dry and sensitive skin, so I tend to find something which is organic, which is doesn't have too much of chemical, so that it doesn't sensitize my skin. So this is one of them. I am loving this because it's a very light-weighted moisturizer. I'll just show you a little bit of it. This is how the moisturizer looks like, and you won't believe, guys, it absorbs not within a minute. Like, it doesn't even take a minute also. I'll just show you after a few seconds how it got absorbed. So it's a very light weighted, you don't feel it, and it's very calming and soothing. It also moisturizes your skin as well, but if you're having a very dry skin, it would give you a satisfying result. But however, for a deep nourishment, I think you should go for a body butter instead of a body lotion, which I do. I use this alternatively because this scorching summer is here, and using body butters is a bit annoying nowadays. So I'm using this on regular basis so that I don't feel that summer irritation because of oily things on my skin. So this is the first thing I wanted to share. The second body lotion which I have is from Vanalia. It is a cocoa butter and shea butter moisturizing lotion. Again, this is a natural ingredient made body lotion. This weighs around 300 ml, and it cost me around INR 320. This is also, I got it from Amazon. And this has a shea butter, vitamin E, jojoba oil, coconut oil as a basic ingredient in it, and it is also paraben free, silicone free, cruelty free, with all natural ingredients. And there's one additional thing in it, is it balances your pH level as well. So overall it's a very good moisturizer with a lesser price. This one would so I'll just show you the first result. See, it already got absorbed. It's not at all, it doesn't feel on your skin. So it got absorbed, it moisturizes your skin, and not at all sticky. So this is how this particular moisturizer works on my skin. The second one, I'll just show you a little bit of it. This is how the cream looks like for this particular one, and this is also a very lightweighted. It takes a bit of time to get absorbed, but once it gets absorbed, again, this is very lightweight. It doesn't feel you sticky or anything. The smell of it is bit stronger than this one. This has a very light smell of avocado, and this one has a mixed smell, flowery smell, which is a bit stronger. However, it's still better than the other fruity smelly lotions which is there in available in market. These two are very good for your summers. One more which I'm using, which I just finished, is Saint Botanica's vitamin C lotion, which was 200 ml of bottle, around 649 rupees, and I got it from Amazon, which contained vitamin C, E, B3. It had hyaluronic acid in it, with sweet almond, avocado and candela. That was also a very good moisturizer. However, I felt that moisturizer is a bit sticky to the skin because it took a lot of time, hours, I mean 1 hour to get absorbed to the skin, and even after that it felt very sticky in the summer. So once I finished that bottle, I didn't rebuy it. So after that I tried these two bottles, which I'm happy with. Maybe you can also give it a try, because these two are very natural products, and this one is only 320. This is a bit costly, but again, this is very fast absorbent and good in your summers, in this particular itchy summer. So give it a try, let me know how you feel, and in case you have any questions about these two products or Saint Botanica, I will revert to the comment box. That's it for today. These three, I wanted to share the review for these three body lotion which I'm using in summer. We'll be back with a lot of new products and informative informations. Till then, take care of yourself, your scalp, your skin, your family and your environment. Have a good day and take care. Bye.